Next, click on the Add Integration button. You will see a list of integrations available for ClickFunnels 2.0. Select the integration you want to connect with, such as email marketing tools or payment gateways. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the integration. This may involve logging into the third-party service and granting permissions. Once authorized, return to ClickFunnels to ensure the integration is listed in your account settings. Next, navigate to the funnel you want to work with. Click on the funnel to open it for editing. In the funnel, go to the Settings tab. Scroll down to find the Integrations section in the funnel settings. Here, you can select the integration you just added from the drop-down list. Make sure to configure any additional settings required by the integration. Save your changes to ensure the integration is active. Now, perform a quick test to check if the integration is working properly. You can do this by triggering an action through the funnel, such as submitting a form. Check the connected service to verify if the data is being received correctly. If everything is functioning as expected, you have successfully connected with ClickFunnels 2.0. For troubleshooting, revisit the integration settings to ensure all information is correctly entered. If issues persist, consult the Help Center on the ClickFunnels website for guidance. You are now ready to leverage ClickFunnels 2.0 with your connected integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.